This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Welcome home to this beautiful, move-in ready home just waiting to welcome you with its expansive open floor plan and natural light throughout. Fall in love with the beautiful wood floors and gorgeous views of the water throughout the home, as well as the spacious rooms and closets. The 0.78-acre lot and peaceful views make this home a unique opportunity to create a relaxing oasis and an entertainer's dream space. The amazing floor plan provides flexibility and space for making this home fit the needs of any new owner. The primary suite is incredibly spacious and boasts beautiful views of the water, and the ensuite is equally spacious and includes a soaker tub, separate shower, double vanity, and walk-in closet. The other rooms are also roomy and have walk-in closets as well. You must come see this home for yourself to truly appreciate all this generous home and lot have to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Trigger at 757-470-1139.